What developers must know to succeed in 2025. By 2025, 50% of all developers will need to learn entirely new skills to stay relevant, or risk being left behind. That's not a prediction. It's a warning from the World Economic Forum. Hi, I'm DevLumin, and today we're breaking down what you need to know to thrive as a developer in 2025. The tech world is evolving faster than ever. AI, blockchain, and quantum computing aren't just buzzwords. They're rewriting the rules. But don't panic. Whether you're a coding newbie or a seasoned pro, this video will give you the roadmap to future-proof your career. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You've mastered Python and JavaScript, built killer apps, and landed your dream job. But suddenly, AI tools like GitHub Copilot are writing code faster than you. Companies demand blockchain integration, and you're stuck Googling, what's a smart contract? The harsh truth? Tech is a treadmill. If you stop learning, you fall off. A 2023 Stack Overflow survey found 65% of devs feel overwhelmed by new tools, and 2025's job market will only get tougher. Employers want hybrid talents, coders who understand AI ethics, cloud-native systems, and teamwork. So, how do you keep up? First, AI isn't replacing you, it's your new teammate. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT for debugging or TensorFlow for building models. For example, Tesla's Autopilot team uses AI to optimize code. Shouldn't you? Next, blockchain isn't just crypto. Walmart uses it to track food supply chains, and Ethereum's smart contracts automate everything from rent payments to voting. Start with Solidity. It's the JavaScript of blockchain. Python and JavaScript aren't going anywhere, but Rust is exploding, thanks to its speed in systems programming. Even Meta uses it for Instagram servers. Meanwhile, Kotlin's dominating Android apps. Remote work is here to stay. Can you explain technical debt to a non-tech manager? Or collaborate across time zones? Developers at Airbnb train in storytelling to pitch ideas effectively. Your code's useless if no one understands its value. Here's the ultimate truth. Your degree won't save you. Your current job title won't either. The year one skill for 2025? Adaptability. Take Maria, a Java developer who lost her job in 2023. Instead of panicking, she spent 3 months learning AI-driven DevOps tools. Now, she automates deployments for Fortune 500 companies. The future belongs to lifelong learners. Platforms like Coursera offer free courses from Google and IBM. Spend 30 minutes daily on LeetCode or a YouTube tutorial. Build a project that combines AI plus cloud. It'll shine on your resume. Remember, you don't have to learn everything, just the right things. To recap, master AI collaboration, dabble in blockchain, update your language toolkit, and polish soft skills. The 2025 tech race isn't about being the fastest coder. It's about being the most adaptable. Stay curious, stay relevant. Drop a comment. Which 2025 skill scares you most? AI, blockchain, or something else? Let's debate. And if you're hungry for more, click here for my video on quantum computing's insane impact. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding.